What's up, everybody? How's everybody doing today, man? You already know how it go. It is your boy B back with another video, and today we're going to be looking for iPhones. How do you find the most profitable iPhones? I'm going to give you guys some tips and tricks that I do every single morning. Now, I want you guys to know it's all about rinse and repeat. Technology, the industry, the cell phone industry in general, is all about repeating yourself once you find what works. If you guys don't know what works, you need to make sure that you're out there putting up shots. You cannot sit there and just keep watching videos and not actually doing anything. I want you to go and practice. I want you guys to go make offers. Even if you don't buy anything, make some offers, talk to people, get your feet wet. If you're somebody looking to start flipping, you need to make sure that you're actually putting some work in, putting some effort in. Go out there and literally talk, because that's the only way you learn. And everybody out there that is being lied to and finessed into thinking that they need Facebook ads, I'm sorry to break this to you, but you don't need Facebook ads. They're just going to take your money. Okay? Why would you do the same thing 18 other people are doing in your 10-mile radius? Why would you compete with phone stores that have higher budgets than you? Why would you even do that? I think that this type of method of flipping phones is absurd. I think it's stupid. I think that people that are promoting that, I think they're not real phone flippers. If you hear a phone flipper say, "Hey, guys, Facebook ads, that wave has sailed. Okay, that's done. It's over. It's not it no more." Like, it doesn't even make sense. You're going to go ahead and create a Facebook ad, and you're going to compete with people around you that are trying to do the same thing, which means you're creating competition for yourself. Because if you do it the mild method with offer up when you're starting out, now, don't get me wrong, once you're seasoned and you got it down pack as far as how to handle leads, yeah, you could do Facebook ads. You can. I mean, you're going to get some leads, but the leads are going to be comparing you to other people. And it's like you just got to have the best price, right? So that's when it comes to like having the best buyers. And if you don't know, we have the buyer's price list. So again, if you don't know what the buyer's price list is, it is a list where you can have access to 50 wholesale buyers. It is on Hustlertaughtme.com. Okay, now Hustlertaughtme.com is my website where I teach you guys how to do every single side hustle that I do. I give you guys access to all of my personal connections, especially with the phone flippers. You can get the buyer's price list, and this price list is composed of 50 buyers in the country and out of the country, and they are going to be helping you because you can sell phones to them. You can sell tablets, Apple Watches, everything, like literally Oculus, game systems, new phones, used phones, iCloud, lock phones, all types of phones you can sell to the buyers, and they will take these phones ASAP. Okay, so this is a price list that you can get from me at Hustler Taught Me. It is also linked below. All right, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to offer up. Okay, let's go to offer up, and when we go to offer up, we're going to now start to look at some phones. Right, so we're gonna type in iPhone. All right, now I'm gonna show you guys how to do this in less than probably 10 minutes, to be honest, because we're only looking for 10 phones. Okay, I usually want to make 10 offers. Now, the phone industry has been a little dry because trade-in credits and trade-in rules have changed. So that's why it's a bit slow if you are out there flipping phones and you're like, "Yo, what the heck is going on?" Right? So I'm going to look. I see an iPhone 12. Now, there is going to be a let me go main screen. There's going to be something to where I think you guys are going to start to realize there's nothing wrong, I say, with buying phones that are older, but you do not want to buy phones that are too old. So you don't want to buy any iPhone 7s, 8s, XRs. So I usually would say go as low as the 11. Now, if you go as low as the 11, you better be getting a good deal, okay? It's not about trying to get the iPhone 16. You go ahead and get the iPhone 16, you're going to not make any difference in profit. It's going to be the same exact thing, and it's not going to increase or make your selling faster, right? Like, this is just literally going to be the same, literally. So it's like if you go and you do decide to buy a higher version phone, you got to look at it like this. You're going to be kicking out more money, okay? And you might not understand what I'm saying, so let me explain, right? So Here is the buyer's price list. So this is this price list right here. Okay. So here it is, right? You got, let's say if you wanted to go and just get the iPhone 16, let's say you want to get the iPhone 16 unlocked, right? This price list, it has the phone model, and then it has the different types of grades they have. So sealed, non-activated, activated, no box, HS. So I'll do a full rundown in the price list in another video, but follow along with me, right? So we see that this phone right here is $560 on the price list. So that's the market value of the phone. That's how much the phone is worth right now, okay? So, and this price list updates often, okay? So 560 minus, let's just say you want to make $50 profit. You just want to find a phone that you're making $50 profit. You see an iPhone 16, you go, you say 560 minus 50, right? That's going to be $510. So that means you only can offer $510 to someone for an iPhone 16, okay? But here's the catch. Let's go all the way down. Oh, these are new. All right, let's go all the way down to used. So this is the used phones, okay? And let's go to iPhone 13. Let's say you find an iPhone 13, okay? Now you find an iPhone 13 and you like, yo, I want to get this 13 unlocked, but I want to make a $50 profit. I don't think that this is possible. It is, because look, 255 is the market value. Subtract that by 50. Now all you got to pay is 205. So that's your offer. Now, would somebody sell it to you? Yeah, they would if they're a wholesale seller. But if there's somebody that's a consumer, they're going to base it off of a consumer rate, right? So they're going to say, okay, I think it's this valuable. While somebody that is used to selling to buyer won't think about value. They will only accept what it's worth. Now, I wouldn't go that low then at that point, right? Because you're like, oh, well, they're probably going to offer me up. They're probably going to want more. Okay, so let's go to an iPhone 14 Pro. Let's do a Pro. So 14 Pro, unlock 128, market value 470. If we subtract that by $50, we know that we can offer them 420. Will somebody sell an iPhone 14 Pro unlocked for 420? Absolutely. Now, at that point, you're making the same exact profit margin selling a median phone. So something that's in the middle, okay? Something in the middle. You're making the same amount of profit you would have been making with an iPhone 16, but kicking out less money. And that is the goal, to keep as much money as you can so you can flip more phones. Okay. So while looking at this, I'm telling you guys this because there's a few interesting listings here where I know somebody that is looking to just start flipping, they'll probably jump at. They'll probably be like, oh, I'll get this and I'll get that. Like, it's important for you to understand like this. I would never go with an iPhone 15 Pro Max right now because I can make the same exact profit off of this phone right here, right? So this is iPhone 14, 15 hours ago. T-Mobile iPhone 14 no scratch, almost brand new. It's not unlocked, but I can get it. Price, contact me for more. Perfect. Okay. So what I would say is I can do, right? I always start off saying I can do. I always start off with an offer, right? Like, I'm not going to waste my time and get to know you. I don't care about, what flowers you like or what sports you watch. I don't care. All right. I'm just trying to make this money. So what I would do is I would just say, okay, I can do, right? And we would have to look at the market value. So this is an iPhone 14. They're not that valuable. Oh, I closed the price list. Dang it. They're not that valuable. So what I would say is I can do, how much are they looking for? So they're looking for $350. Whenever they price, they're usually pricing $100 more than what they expect, or $50 more. This person's probably looking for $300. So I'm gonna say I can do $250. Right now, mind you, I probably would do more than $250. I'll probably do $275, but I'm not going to tell that. Obviously, I want that person to make me go up, right? I don't want to go up. I want them to make me go up. Somebody would jump on this. I would never jump on that. Look at this. This looks like a scam. It says iPhone 15 Pro Max unlocked. Yep, boom. I'm giving a blessing away. You ain't giving no damn blessing away, broski. Like, you're scamming. Okay. iPhone 14 unlocked. Again, we're going to say Okay, yep. He said, I'm cool. Got you. Hit me up. This is perfect. I'm glad you guys seen this, because when somebody denies you, this is what you do. Boom. I sell phones if you need me. You just created a lead. Because once he hits your phone, you save him. That's it. It's way better than Facebook ads. Way more intimate. Okay. Let's see. This is like a lot of phones are already. Okay. I can do. We'll do 345. I would only do like 350. This is not a valuable phone to me. This is not a valuable phone to me. This person only has 3 stars. I don't really trust it with 3 stars. I really do look at ratings too, guys. Okay. iPhone 14. I can do 250. Now, I want you guys to think about this. The more you go ahead and make these offers, the more somebody will, I repeat, somebody will fall and say, you know what, I'll do it. Unlocked iPhone 13 Pro. So I can do, we'll do 300, but we'll really be able to do 350, right? We know he's probably looking for 400. I guarantee you, he's probably looking for 400. iPhone 11, I will only do like $90. iPhone 14 again. T-Mobile. We already did that. That's interesting. So they it's promoted. They want to sell it really bad. I'm not gonna go here because this is a store. This person is over here selling replicas. iPhone works perfectly. It's AT&T. That's a bad one. I can do 250. I always offer lower than what I can do. If they do say no, sometimes I rebuttal or I give them my number and wait until they contact me so that I have leverage. Crack on front of the screen. Perfect. No problem. That's it. And they're going to say no thanks if it has not been up long enough and sitting. If they haven't gotten patient, it's okay. That's all right. We'll take that. Um. 12 Pro Max. I mean, it's an older phone now. I don't really want to buy any AT&T because AT&T is going to go out of business soon for sure. Perfect condition. Okay, I can do. So you know they looking for 350. I can do 295. All right, guys. So what I'm gonna do is I'm probably gonna go live and show you guys the results if anybody does hit me back. But again, you're gonna get a lot of no's. You're gonna get a lot of no's, but it's all about getting the lead. Give them a number to hit you up, and you'll get people hitting you up. And when you get them hitting you up, now you can find out if they're a wholesale seller. You can now see, okay, well, you know, I have the leverage now, right? Like you giving that offer initially, you gave leverage away. So you want to regain your leverage and you get your leverage back by remaining calm, right? You don't want to force the round peg into the square hole. Like you don't want to force it. Just take your time, relax, and I promise you guys, you will convert. All right. Now, the way you find high value phones, if you guys didn't get it, is by literally making sure you're looking for the median range phones. You are then deducting what you want your profit to be, and then you're giving 10 offers every single day for at least 5 days. You can skip days, so you could do Monday, Wednesday, Thursday. You can do whatever you want, but do it for at least 5 days. Do it for a month, and I guarantee you'll get some phones. Okay, guys? Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys. And again, I want you guys to continue to strive, continue to be great. Go get the price list, and I'll see you guys later. Also, the price list does come with a free call with me and access to my private community. So I cannot wait to see you guys at the top because it's too crowded at the bottom. Peace.